Hi guys. Let us discuss about the case study on the involvement of Internet of Things as well as artificial intelligence in automotive sector. Okay. Can you give a proper case study?
So let us take a real world example. Many of you know about Mahindra have launched the XUV 7X. So we are going to combine its AI and IoT things already implemented like ADAS and infotainment system, data collection, communication between vehicles, cloud computing, etc. So let us discuss each point one by one clearly in a crystal manner. So we can come to a conclusion about what are the technologies has been evolved since the development of Mahindra's SUVs. So let us start.
So let me start with the AI part. I mean, both AI and IoT must be like two eyes of the car. Must go hand in hand so that car operates efficiently. So coming to my part, AI. So I'm just here to talk about the cloud computing, the storage systems, and the infotainment system, which is very important, and it's usually preferred well nowadays. So when it's coming to cloud computing, the compute, as you know, these cars generally are automated cars and operate on their own. The data has to be stored, analyzed, and has to be interpreted to improve the performance in the upcoming days. So cloud computing is, let's take an example of Tesla. If a Tesla goes in front and other Tesla comes in between, so those two Teslas connect, and when like you can get the information between these two Teslas. When the Tesla is applying an emergency braking, these Tesla would get a notification and also can operate on its own. Like how we think, like for example, if a cow or a cat comes on our way, we just apply emergency braking. That's how AI works.
So you are saying that two Teslas are communicating.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna tell about the ADAS. ADAS, which is known as the assistant driver, advanced driver assistance system. So ADAS is help the driver to drive the car in a very non-stressful and efficient and in a very comfortable way. So as an example, we can take the car as usual, the Mahindra 7XO. So if the car is out of a lane in a highway, you can imagine that. So if the car is out of the lane, the ADAS system will reach the lane and predict the car speed, and automatically it will attach to the lane in a stable the car within the highway lane. So it will help in like autopilot. That's all. In India, the ADAS is in second level. I think so, right?
Yeah.
ADAS is in second level, which is like it can help the driver with autopilot in a free highway. You know, in a free highway, autopilot is helps in free highway, and that's all.
I guess that was very good point. So just make it as a crisp point. Surya.
As Ashok said, I need to add a point about the ADAS. If the something cross over the vehicle at the speed of above 50 or 60, the ADAS will automatically apply the brake if the driver does not respond to the situation.
Yes.
Like this.
I agree with this point. The other feature which also integrated with the AI and IoT. By using that, we can also able to prevent the accident, major causes of the accident.
So basically summarizing around our discussion, I think IoT and AI must go as Ritesh said, hand in hand. Like basically these are like two eyes. And if one isn't working and another works, there is nothing more efficient than that. So I think IoT integrated with AI is far more beneficial than fully being on IoT or fully being on AI. I think the future looks very interesting with both IoT combined with AI. So that is what is important.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.